everyone, so in today's video we are doing this Latina makeup. So let's start with the primer first so that my makeup looks flawless and lasts all day. Next I'm using a concealer that matches my skin tone and I'm applying on the areas where I have redness and dark spots. Next I'm applying foundation all over my face and don't forget your neck so that everything looks even. And now blending it all nicely. Now using a light shade concealer to brighten up my under eyes, my forehead, around my mouth and blending it all together with a brush. Now contouring my cheekbone, nose and forehead with a contour stick. Now I'm using a brush to blend it all. Now for blush, I'm using a pink cream blush and blending it with the brush. Now filling my eyebrows and giving them a nice shape. Now for eye makeup, I'm using a warm neutral shade and applying all over my eyelids. Next, I'm taking a warm brown shade and blending it right into my crease. Now drawing a bold wing eyeliner. Now applying a setting powder to set everything in place. Now here I'm adding a powder blush. Now applying highlighter on the tip of my nose, some on the inner corner of my eyes and a little bit on my cheekbone. For lips, I'm using a brown lip liner to line my lip and then I'm using a nude pink shade for lipstick. Lastly, applying mascara on my lashes to add volume. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.